All right, real quick, 20 years of cooking, 10 years of Mantry. We get asked all the time about pizza stuff, pizza products, how do I make better pizza at home? So I want to do this quick roundup based on amazing products that we've seen over the last 10 years in the food world. So number one, I want to tell you about Murray's Cheese. Murray's Cheese is probably the best online supplier of cheese. They do incredible subscription boxes, but for pizza, cheese is a massive part of it, and they're gonna have all your amazing fior di latte, the fresh mozzarella, the burrata. You're gonna be able to get into the fontinas. They have some incredible truffle cheeses you can play with when you start pairing like truffles and pear and a little honey on there. So Murray's has like a whole gamut of cheeses, all the cheeses that you're gonna need. And the thing that makes Murray's really, really awesome is they fresh cut all the cheeses, they know how to pack them, and they know how to ship them. So, you can go to your local deli and you can get cheeses, but if you're somewhere where you can't get good cheese or you want to just ship in great quality stuff, Murray's is the way to go. So links down below. Next one, you need great olive oil for pizza. It makes a big difference to drizzle over the top or use in your cooking. Brightland, which is out of California, it's Cali grown olive oil, comes in a beautiful bottle. It also makes a great gift. But they make beautiful, bright, grassy olive oils. They also, they make some infused ones. The garlic one is really good. They have a chili one that's killer. They also make a line of honeys, California honey, so that's awesome too. Like you think about spicy sausage, drizzle some honey over. Those are like the bee sting pizzas in New York here out at Roberta's. That's what kind of made them famous, the honey and sweet or spicy sausage. So Brightland olive oil. Number three, talking about ovens, it's hard to not talk about how to make better pizza at home without talking about Ooni. Ooni is literally the gold standard of at-home pizza making. You can do pizza stones. If you're lucky enough to have an outdoor pizza oven or something like that, sure, like a big brick one. Making pizza in a traditional oven is hard because it's hard to get the temperature up. And what Ooni's been able to do is kind of bring that Neapolitan style wood burning taste home. And they do that with kind of a pellet grill oven. And it's very, very small, so it gets really hot, 600, 700, 800, 900 degrees. And when you put the pizzas in, it only takes like 90 seconds, and you'll rip off beautiful tasting pizzas. And it's really fun too, it's interactive. You can lay out a bunch of ingredients and a bunch of pizza bases for doughs, and everyone who comes over can kind of make their own pizza, slip it in to the Ooni. So Oonis are an amazing gift. I guess my wife's sister's husband got one. So we started playing around with it. It's an amazing product and it's a lot of fun. And from a chef, I wanted to hate on it in the beginning because I was just like, this is lame. This is some tabletop pizza gimmick. It makes incredible pizza. So Ooni. The fourth one, real quick, Porter Road. Actually, Porter Road is an online butcher shop. They have amazing selection of steaks, grass-fed meats, heritage pork, but they make incredible sausages. And sausage on pizza is sort of unsung hero. So if you think about like a great sweet Italian sausage with fennel in there and all that, it makes a huge difference on your pie. Obviously tomato sauce makes a difference, the cheese, but some good crumbled sausage. They also have awesome chorizo, and they have a BP sage sausage, I think it's called, and that one's really good. So you think about like good sausage, maybe put a little blue cheese on there. You can put apple on if you're trying to get like a weirder pizza, fig, balsamic sausage. You start doing that angle, non-traditional, if you want to skew from the margarita. But Porter Road has a great selection of meats. Next one, I want to give a shout out, Hedley and Bennett aprons. I mean, if you're gonna make pizza, you might as well look sweet and keep your white t-shirt clean. So Hedley and Bennett, they supply a lot of the restaurants. A lot of times when you walk into trendy restaurants and all the waiters are wearing like cool leather aprons, those are Hedley and Bennett. And so I would recommend getting them. They also, again, make a great gift where you can give someone who loves to cook an apron. They make denim ones, they make leather ones, they make sort of canvas, but they all look really sweet. And so if you're cooking outside and you're cooking for a group, it's fun to throw on an apron, and it also just it looks great, but it really keeps you clean when you're cooking and dusting up all the flour for the dough and all that. Next, and finally, I wanted to give a shout out because other than our own online cooking course, which is called Open Kitchen, Masterclass does do a good job with online cooking courses. They have Thomas Keller, Alice Waters, Wolfgang Puck. They do have a really good pizza class on there. It's pretty short, but it's good. Tony Gemignani, I think is his name. He's won like a bunch of awards, like 10 or 12 World Pizza Championships or something. But anyway, great breakdown of pizza. There's also pizza recipes sort of throughout the courses. And I think if you sign up to Masterclass, you just get like the whole gamut of courses. So that's something to check out too. If you want to learn online, you either do Masterclass or like I said, we have Open Kitchen, which is sort of more of an AI driven, how to use AI and cook better. But check out one of those two, and that's also makes a good gift. So that's it. That's the 6 things. Murray's Cheese for cheese, Brightline good olive oil, Uni if you need a pizza oven, Porter Road has your sausage needs to make great pizza, Hedley and Bennett for an apron to look sweet, and Masterclass if you want to learn a little bit more about cooking online. So that's it. That's 6 products. If you like this video, like it, share it, let us know. We can always do more about pizza. It's a super popular topic and people are always looking to learn how to cook pizza better at home. That's it. Thank you.